A very good morning to all my dear students. In our previous videos, we had explained you the basic concepts of integers. Now today, we are going to elaborate our knowledge on the concept of multiplication of integers. So let us start with the rules of multiplying integers. We know that you may have a positive integer, and for every positive integer you also have a negative integer, which is called its additive inverse. So in the case when you are multiplying two positive integers, the answer will be a positive integer itself. Similarly, if you are multiplying two negative integers, the answer will again be a positive integer. But if you are multiplying a positive integer with a negative integer, it results in a negative integer. Or if you are multiplying a negative integer with a positive integer, it results in a negative integer again. We can further state this as multiplying two integers with the same sign or like signs results in a positive integer always, which means two negatives will always make a positive and two positives will also always make a positive. Whereas when we multiply two integers with unlike signs or different signs, the answer will always be a negative integer, which means that a positive and a negative integer will be a negative integer, and a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer will also be a negative integer. Now let us solve a few examples. 2 into 11. Both the integers are positive, so the answer will be a positive integer. So 2 into 11 will give you a positive 22. Next one, minus 14 into minus 9. The product of 14 and 9 is 126. Here again, both of them are negative, so the answer will result into a positive integer. The third one, minus 4 into minus 6. 4 6 will give you 24. And both of them are negative, so the answer will be a positive integer, that is positive 24. The fourth one, minus 12 into 5. 12 5s will give you 60, and since 12 is negative, 5 is positive, so a negative into a positive will give you a negative integer. Now it's your turn. Solve the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and the 9th one on your own in your rough copies. Let's discuss the 10th question. 0 into minus 10. What is the answer? 0 into any integer will result in 0 itself. Now let us multiply more than two integers. Here we apply the associative property that multiplication of two or more than two integers in any way will give you the same product. So let us multiply by taking out the product of the first two integers. So when you multiply -3 and -2, you will get 3 2s are 6, and since both of them are negative, the answer will be positive. Then we continue by multiplying this with 5 into -1. Now 6 into 5 will give you 30. Now 30 multiplied by -1 will give you 30 into 1 as 30, and positive into negative will be negative. So in this way you can multiply more than two integers also. Now children, you need to solve exercise 1A of your textbooks, page number 14, question number 1, question number 5 and question number 8 in your fair copy. Thank you.